Good morning, class. I just wanted to upload another video to clarify some things because the college put out a statement regarding classes for next week, and then I put out a video that conflicts some of that information. So, the first thing I'd like to address is your rough draft for the language and culture essay. That rough draft is still due. I assigned it during our class from this week, and that assignment, since it was homework for that class, is still due, and that will be the only thing that is due for next week. So where you should submit that is if you click on major writing assignments, which is right here on the screen, it will then land you into the major writing assignments tab, and then you'll click on language writing assignment. And when you click on the language writing assignment folder, you'll see that I have added a tab called Language and Culture Essay Rough Draft. When you click on that, the Language and Culture Essay Rough Draft, you'll see that the due date's there. I did extend it to midnight or 11:59 a.m. So that it's due by March 16th, Monday, March 16th at 11:59. And then what you'll do is you will browse your computer and upload that essay draft. Submit that draft. If you want extended time, that's fine with me. Just message me to communicate that you will need extended time. I will be flexible throughout all of this. So again, yes, your assignment is due on Monday. The reason for that is because I had already assigned it as a homework assignment. Moving forward, the next thing I want to update, and I will put this on the announcements tab, but to reiterate, your only assignment is that one assignment for next week. The rest of next week is for me to prepare your course to be fully online. After that, and I'm pulling up my calendar, after next week, we will begin online instruction the week of March 23rd, and I will have ongoing communication with you, as I said in the previous video. Make sure that you message me through course messages at any time if you have questions, even next week, even though you're not technically going to be engaging in class, you are still welcome to email me if you have any questions. So as far as right now, I hope you have a nice weekend and a safe weekend. And contact me if you need anything. I assure you I'll be flexible during all of this. Thank you. Have a good weekend.